The Icon. The BMW all-electric foiling yacht, also known as the Icon, is a 43-foot luxury yacht that is powered by electricity and hydrofoils. The Icon is powered by two 100-kilowatt electric motors, which are fueled by 6 BMW i3 batteries. This gives it a range of over 50 nautical miles and a cruising speed of 24 knots. The foils lift the hull out of the water, which reduces drag and increases efficiency by up to 80% compared to a conventional hull. This means that the Icon can travel further and faster on the same amount of energy. The Icon is also very luxurious. The interior features a spacious aft entertaining area and a lounge adorned with designer furniture. Rotating seats offer a 360-degree view. The BMW all-electric foiling yacht, also known as the Icon, is still in the concept stage, and the price has not yet been announced. Himiko Water Bus. The Himiko Water Bus is a futuristic water bus that operates in Tokyo Bay, Japan. It is named after Himiko, a legendary queen of Japan who ruled in the 3rd century AD. The Himiko was designed by anime master Leiji Matsumoto and was launched in 2004. The Himiko has a sleek metallic silver body that is inspired by a spaceship. It has 2 decks and can carry up to 350 passengers. The main deck is open air and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The lower deck is enclosed and has a cafe and a souvenir shop. The Himiko operates a regular service between Asakusa, Odaiba, and Toyosu. The journey takes about an hour and takes passengers past some of Tokyo's most iconic landmarks, such as the Tokyo Skytree, the Rainbow Bridge, and the Tokyo Tower. Humdinger. The Humdinger is a high-speed amphibious vehicle concept designed by Gibbs Amphibians. It was publicly announced in February 2012 and was created specifically to access remote and hostile terrain. It uses the same high-speed amphibian, HSA, technology as the Gibbs Aquatic. The Humdinger is a 5-seater vehicle that is 7 meters long and weighs 3,000 kilograms. It is powered by an AV8 engine that can reach speeds of up to 160 km per hour on land and 65 km per hour on water. It can transition from land to water mode in seconds by pressing a button, which retracts the wheels and switches the powertrain to the jet propulsion system. The Humdinger is not yet available for purchase, so there is no official price yet. However, it is estimated that the Humdinger will cost around $1 million. Watercraft. The watercraft is a unique watercraft that blends the agility of a go-kart with the speed of a sports boat. It features an asymmetric catamaran layout and a mid-mounted outboard engine, which gives it exceptional performance and handling. The watercraft is powered by a single outboard engine, up to 70 horsepower, and can reach speeds of up to 40 knots. It is also incredibly agile and can make sharp turns at high speed. The watercraft is made from high-quality materials, including carbon fiber, and is hand-built in Thailand. It is a well-built and durable watercraft that is designed for years of use. The watercraft is a great choice for anyone who loves the thrill of driving fast and taking corners at the limit. The base price of the watercraft is $9,800. Flyboard. A flyboard is a personal watercraft, PWC, accessory that propels riders into the air and through the water using water jets. It consists of a board with 2 boots attached to it and a long hose that connects the board to the PWC. The PWC provides the water pressure that propels the rider. Riders stand on the board and control their movement using their body weight and the direction of the water jets. The water jets can be controlled using handlebars on the board. flyboard riders can fly up to 30 feet in the air and dive up to 15 feet underwater. Flyboarding is a relatively new sport, but it has quickly become popular due to its thrill factor and ease of learning. The price of a flyboard varies depending on the brand, model, and features. However, most flyboards cost between $4,000 and $7,000.